How to activate your PayPal debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To activate your PayPal debit card, it is actually pretty simple. So firstly, you can log in into your PayPal account. For that, you can head over to paypal.com in a desired browser or you can launch a PayPal application in your device. So over here to activate your PayPal debit card, firstly make sure you are logged in into your account. After that, to activate your PayPal debit card, it is pretty simple. Scroll down until you see the option of link a card and click on it. If you are using the app, locate the card section which is usually found in your account settings. So in here, what you need to do is you have to enter your debit card number, card type, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. Then tap on the link card option. After which you also have to follow the activation instruction, which will be prompted to enter a PIN or also answer security questions. By this way, you'll be able to activate your PayPal debit card. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.